Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see my first camera unboxing. The camera name is Canon M50 Mark II. I ordered it through Flipkart, so I'm checking with delivery guy whether I got camera or not. So without wasting any of our time, we'll unbox the camera. So the camera is Canon M50 Mark II. So you just have a look of the box. I think you can see the pricing and everything details. Canon M50 Mark II. So contents in the camera. I'm very much happy and I'm very much excited because this is my first camera. So let's take the scissor. Okay, let me cut this. Oh my god, I'm cutting it in a wrong way. Hey, finally the box was opened. I can see some documents. Some document. User manual. I think this is related to warranty related thing. 1+1 2 years warranty. Let me put these documents aside. Canon camera strip. Here comes the camera body. Canon M50 Mark II body. Let me put that body aside. Charger, cable, charging related thing. Battery. I think this is the lens. Let me check. Yeah, this is the kit lens. Let me put this aside. Let me put the box aside. So what are the contents I received? Kit lens, camera body, battery, and Canon strip for camera and charging related thing, and these 3 documents: user manual and some warranty and some paper related documents. So this is the camera body. So these are the contents which I received in with the package. I didn't receive SD card. From 2018 onwards, I was placing order for the cameras and I'm cancelling the cameras because I'm placing orders for budget cameras like Canon EOS 300D DSLR and Panasonic Lumix. So nearly 3 times I kept order and I have cancelled them. So right now I'm very much happy because we got the camera M50 Mark II. I think I have removed the camera from cover. Okay, check the body. The body is very light. Oh my god, it's like a cell phone. The body is very lightweight. I can see some kind of dust kind of thing. No, I don't think that is a dust. Okay, the body is very light. I'm very much happy. I can't share my happiness. This is my first camera from my hard-earned money. Very much excited. Oh my god, such a lightweight camera. Let me check the lens. The lens packing was good. So let me open the cover. Yeah, the packing is very good. Yeah, even the lens, I feel somewhat weight of the lens, the body and the lens. Really, I couldn't able to come out. I feel that I'm in a dream because owning a camera was not a small thing. This is charging battery related thing. Battery, I mean camera strip and wires. And I think last, let me open the battery cover. Yeah, I have opened the battery cover. So I think there will be some charging. So let me remove the cap of the camera and let me place the lens. Oh my god, I need to remove the lens cap too. Let me put the camera safely down. Let me remove this lens cap. Okay, let me put the lens to the camera. That white mark should match this white mark. This is the first time I'm placing the lens to the camera because even this is the first time I'm using the camera. So let me place the lens and we need to slowly remove it clockwise. Let me remove the cover. I think I forgot the battery. Let me check. Yeah, I got the battery. I need to remove battery thing. I need to place the battery. Yeah, here is the battery port. Let me remove that door. Yeah, finally I kept the battery. I think we are all good to go. I think I can start the camera now. Yeah, we are very good to go. On the camera I can see date related setting. I don't know what to do. Let me check. The camera was turned on. I can see something, a button indicating okay. Oh, it's touch screen. Wow, wonderful. Yeah, it's a touch screen camera.